Good morning and welcome to Barely Handy. Hope you're doing all right. Today, I'm working on my car. This is a 2016 Ford Escape Titanium. Normally, what would be an easy fix, a headlight that is out, access from the back, counterclockwise turn, pop it off, put a new one on. This car has Xenon headlights that have a capacitor, a bus bank in it, and it is super finicky. Hypothetically, you could get it out without doing what I'm about to do, but it is, from what I've seen, incredibly challenging to get to the torque bits that mount the headlight. So I'm doing the other option where it's easy to get to the headlight once you do this, but getting to that point is a pain in the ass. So to do this, the version I saw had you actually take the wheel off to get access. I'm going to attempt to not do that because that's a lot. We may end up doing that, but hopefully we won't. So to take this headlight assembly off, which we will need to do to gain access, easy access that is, to change the headlight out, we're going to have to take this underskirt panel off and then unscrew some mounting bolts that are underneath here. It's a shame in this day and age that to effectively change a headlight, you have to do all of this other work, but there we are. So I have already taken off some of the mounts up top. You can see them here. There's a variety of screw heads. These ones, you can use a flathead or a Torx bit, but that was the easy part. The hard part now is doing all the skirt removal and getting in here with the tire on. I've heard you can even jack the car up at least a little bit to get enough clearance. Hopefully we can maneuver in such a way to not have to do that. But join us and join me in my frustration, and we'll see how well I do today. Wow, this tool does make things easier. Brand new brushless. This thing's nice. First time using it, but it's useful. Now, the tricky one, so you can see, is that one right there. And, well, as you can see, problematic. So I'm going to go ahead and try and turn the wheel the opposite direction, or my handy cameraman can, while I film the wheel turning. And we'll see if we can get enough clearance in there. So yeah, go ahead, start the car and rotate the wheel in the complete opposite direction. Or I guess don't start the car. Wow, big, strong hands.
Say when.
When? I think that should be good. Should have enough clearance. Now comes the fun part, where we get on the scooter. Well,
That's interesting. Am I supposed to come on?
weird.
Come from?
I don't know. You know how it's just a random screw and it's right there.
That's weird.
There is a little plastic grommet. Now, if you had the right tool, you could use that. Instead, we don't. So we'll just use a flathead and gently pry. Gently pry, he said.
You want a rifle?
Do we have one? It has like the forks? Oh, I'll take that then. Well, that's useful.
Let's see.
Oh, there we go.
This might be easier for me to raise than carrying it over here.
You know what? You're probably right. If this tire wasn't here, this would be a whole lot easier. Is that something you want to do?
Oh, yeah, we can test something new, but...
Great. Sure.
Alright.
And just like magic, the wheel's off. All that talk I said about not wanting to take the wheel off, well, here we are, huh? See, it's screwed in. I assume there's a matching screw on the other side that I can't see right now. Okay. Well, let me see if I can't move this a little bit out of the way more.
Yeah.
All right. Thankfully for the fog light, it does not need to be unscrewed. It is your classic counterclockwise turn, pull out, and I was able to get it out enough to get it disconnected. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the new one on. And again, you can kind of see it right there. That's the end of it, and
This one?
Yep, that's the one, and I counterclockwise turned it out. I'm not sure how well you can see, but I was able to get my hand in there, and there's the end of it right
Rub
there.
grease on the bowl?
Huh?
Should I rub grease on the bowl?
Sure thing. Fog light is replaced. Turn it on the car, Jeff.
Sure.
Hey, it worked. So that's the fog light replaced. Now we just need to finish taking out the headlight assembly, which is up in there. Oop. If you can see, hard to see, but all the way back there is a mounting screw for the headlight assembly. So I gotta take that off, I do believe, and hopefully that'll be it. If not, well, we'll continue to struggle. We got to the headlamp. You can see it right there. We were able to get underneath to the T30 screw, which was up in here. And here it is. Here's the titanium fancy Xenon light. So you can't just twist it. It is mounted in there. And it's mounted in such a way that to be able to access both screws, you either do it blindly, which I guess you could get a scope and do it that way. I don't have a scope. So this, what you have to do to get the wheel off, to get the wheel liner off, to get access to the last screw. So it's an easy 20-minute job.
Yes. Oh, sweet.
I can't wait till we do the other side.
I think it's been an hour. Oh.
The other side will be a lot easier.
Yes, the other side. Save that for when that one burns out. Why fix what it broke?
Now, I just don't want to drop these screws into the assembly.
Yes. It's convenient to have all the tools you need.
Oh, God. Those are
They're pretty in there.
in there tight.
What size is this? T10?
Yeah.
I don't think I have T10, but I can look.
Well, I could probably use... Here, let me... Son of a bitch. All right. Wasn't getting very good grip, so pair of vice grips.
Grip was the problem then.
Yeah, again, torque, grip, leverage.
Hey,
This,
vice grip, that's on my list of top 10 DIY tools you need.
some might say we're a vice grip garage.
We're not much of a garage.
So now that I've loosened it, let me see if I can't get it the rest of the way.
Loosen it up.
That was in there.
Conveniently, I bought these screwdrivers for...
Do you have a magnet on a stick? We should.
Sure don't.
We do.
No?
Yeah.
No?
You sure?
No.
Because I know we did.
I don't have a magnet on a stick. Sure it isn't a magnetic screwdriver?
You sure it is?
It's Milwaukee. Should be.
I don't like that. Yeah, no, it's not magnetic at all. Yay.
It worked.
Don't lose that.
I dropped it in the crack of the garage.
Yeah, all good things go.
I'll put it in my back pocket when there's nothing in it. It's a weird angle.
Now you know why I asked for one of these, because there's no way.
No, I meant weird how you turned it.
Oh,
So downward leverage, you went upwards. Screwdriver to the rescue.
nice. There we go. Yay.
The fancy Xenon headlight assembly is on.
And then this clip. This clip. This clip.
You gotta break that one too.
This clip. This clip. Easily comes off.
Wow, that was
So easy. Here's the old one. I took off the backing plate from the old one, popped it on here, and
know if the old one burned out or anything.
well, it doesn't work.
Other than it's burned out, I mean, like visible signs. Other than it doesn't light up.
Well, let's compare. The new one is clear. This one has some cloudiness that looks like it's burned. So that would seem to be a difference. If you can see, this one has some dark cloudiness in the side, and then the other one is clear. Now, of course, for you to be able to see this, you'd have to get to this point anyways. So
Yeah, there's no way to tell while it's inside the vehicle.
now I got a spare one just in case. So
We'll just put it all back together. See you guys next time.
well, you know what? Why don't I try and get this on there?
First,
No, that's not gonna work.
give me a bolt from the off.
God willing. Inshallah. Inshallah, am I right?
Yes. Don't worry, guys. We're multi-language family. And if I don't know how, AI will help me. I use a screwdriver and snap the clip back on that you broke off already.
Hey, it's on.
Hey, it's on.
All right, do me a favor.
So I can use one. Alright.
Go ahead and you want to turn the key?
Make sure it lights up.
Yeah.
Here. All right, we're gonna put it all back together, and then we'll show you what it should look like a headlight on a car when it's done. But
Wow, crazy.
we'll show you when it's done when we get back everything together. Yeah, we'll show you if we break anything putting it back together.
Yeah.
Hopefully not, but you know, if anything significant comes up,
And then we'll do the other side.
then we're not doing the other side.
We'll do the other side. It'll be real easy. All right.
The crew.
Right. Well, we did it. It wasn't pleasant, and it was exactly as much work as I feared we had done, but just goes to show that changing a light on your car doesn't have to be that hard. Unless it is. In this case, it was that hard, and it sucked. But hey, you know what? Got it done, and that's the important thing at the end of the day. It wasn't super frustrating, just kind of frustrating, which I guess is something. But until we come back to you, this is me, Ted, coming from Barely Handy in our garage. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Until then, take care.